Hello, my sewing friends. This is Vlogmas day 14. I'm Jen, and this is my sewing room. And since we're doing Vlogmas, I thought I would ask you a question. What is your favorite Christmas memory? Well, our most fun years, not just year, but years, have been when we've gone sledding. My family always congregates up at my mom and dad's house, and we spend Christmas there. Usually it's just a couple of days. And the weather is all over the place because it's Ohio, it's Southern Ohio. So sometimes it's 70 degrees outside and balmy. Other times it's below zero. And once in a while, there's snow. And when it snows, doesn't matter how old they are, doesn't matter how long they have to stay, we go sledding. So I thought I would share with you some of those, some pictures from memories when we've gone sledding. And
big discussion.
And also, I want to talk about some sewing things related to sledding, and not just sledding, but cold weather. So let me take these off. So let's talk about some Big Four and a couple of indie patterns that offer hats, scarves, and gloves. McCall's 8232 is a trapper style hat and fingerless gloves. So they kind of come up to about here, but they're fingerless, so that, you know, if you're working on your phone and your phone requires the heat and the actual touch, fingerprint, anything, then these are great for that. If you're going to drive, you know, and you need your fingers available, those are really wonderful for that. This hat is so cute. It comes down, and like I say, it's a trapper's hat, so it comes down, covers your ears, and then has the strings that come down so you can, I don't know, I guess you can tie them under your chin. That's the purpose. I've always seen them as Alaskan hats, Scandinavian hats. They usually are knitted with a Fair Isle pattern. I don't know. I looked it up, and sometimes they're called Ushanka hats, which I think is a Russian thing. Well, this particular pattern offers embroidery options. So cute. You can wear the hat and then embroider it if you like, and the gloves too. So great choice. Simplicity 9434 has a really cute hat that ties in the back that I don't know is specifically for cold weather, but then they also have a headband, which I love because my ears need to be covered in the wind. It's so helpful. Even if I wear the headband and a hat, then yeah, sometimes I do that. Simplicity 8812 is a whole slew of cold weather accessories. So you've got a hat and a scarf. I don't think that one has gloves, but it's got a lot, you know, I mean, a nice assortment. And any of these can be made with fleece. Actually, any of these patterns can be made with fleece. For gloves, Vogue has a glove pattern if you want to get really fancy. Vogue 8311. You can do these out of leather, calfskin, or fleece, or whatever you like, but it's a great glove pattern. It's very comprehensive. And then Stephanie from Stephanie Farrell Focus has a video on how to make gloves. Really simple, quick gloves. So I'm going to link that in the cards up here, and you can go check that out. As for free ones, you know, all you have to do is Google beanie hat, and you will get every pattern known to man. You know, for days you will be sitting in front of your computer looking at patterns. But here are a couple that I picked out that I thought were good ones. So Easy, which always offers free patterns, and they are so comprehensive in every pattern that they offer. They have a selection of hats, gloves, and scarves. And then Fabric Art DIY has a tutorial, this is a blog post, where they show you how to make a hat, scarf, glove, pocket combo. 4 in apparently, because it's a hat and then it has like pieces of a scarf that come out, I guess, that you could wrap around your neck or, you know, just pull close. And the scarf has pockets, and at the end of the scarf are like mittens. So the whole thing, the whole shebang. Yeah. So, and lastly, I wanted to talk about some of the things that go along with cold weather in general, but specifically sledding, because you always want to do this after you go sledding and you've turned into a popsicle because you're not just cold, now you're wet from being in the snow. So this is the perfect thing when you come inside, and it is hot chocolate. I have 2 recipes, both of which I'm going to link below, and one is a Google document that you can access and then print off if you like. First of all, the absolute best from scratch hot chocolate recipe. And yeah, recipes are kind of like, oh, you think that's the best one? Well, this was the best one I could find. It's a blog post from ashleymarie.com, and she's got this really, really good recipe for hot chocolate. I think you make it on the stove, and you know, it's that kind. But my favorite thing is mocha. And I make it by using my husband's powdered hot chocolate mix. And I put that in the cup, and then I stick my cup in the Keurig and I pour coffee in. So it's like mocha. And you know, you can add any kind of flavoring to that. I mean, it would be great if you added hazelnut, or sometimes hot chocolate is really good with a little bit of hot pepper, like cayenne. Those are a couple that I found that I think would warm you up after a day of sledding or just being outside doing wintry things. Ice skating, skiing, gosh, what else? I don't know, all kinds of things. Snowball fights, wouldn't that be fun? So that's Vlogmas Day 14, and I will be back tomorrow with more stuff. If you have a description of some favorite hats, gloves, scarves, patterns, hot chocolate recipes that you want to direct us to, just tell us about that in the comments below. And I will see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 15. Take care. Thanks for watching. Stay warm and Merry Christmas.
Oh boy, look out! Oh boy, come on!